The 2026 Ford Transit passenger van continues to be a reliable choice for businesses, families, and organizations looking for a spacious and versatile vehicle. With its refined design, this van emphasizes comfort, convenience, and utility. The exterior design maintains the iconic Transit appearance, featuring a modern front fascia, LED lighting, and practical sliding doors. These elements make it not only visually appealing but also highly functional, particularly for loading and unloading passengers in busy environments. Inside, the 2026 Transit passenger van offers a range of configurations to accommodate different seating needs, with options for up to 15 passengers. The seats are ergonomically designed and come with improved cushioning, ensuring comfort during long journeys. The use of high-quality materials throughout the cabin enhances durability, making it well-suited for frequent use. Large windows provide excellent visibility and create an airy, open feel for passengers. Ford has incorporated advanced technology into the 2026 Transit, catering to modern connectivity needs. The standard infotainment system includes a touchscreen interface with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Passengers can enjoy seamless connectivity with multiple USB ports spread throughout the cabin, while available Wi-Fi hotspot capability ensures they stay connected on the go. The inclusion of a high-quality sound system makes the ride more enjoyable, especially during extended trips. Safety is a top priority in the 2026 Transit, with an array of features designed to protect both driver and passengers. Standard safety equipment includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera. Additionally, the van offers advanced options like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These features provide an extra layer of security and make it easier to navigate urban environments and highways alike. The Transit is powered by a choice of engines designed to meet various performance and efficiency requirements. The standard engine is a 3.5-liter V6, offering a good balance of power and fuel economy. For those requiring more capability, Ford also offers a turbocharged EcoBoost V6, providing robust acceleration and towing capacity. Both engine options are paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring responsive performance across different driving conditions. Ford has also introduced an all-electric variant of the Transit for 2026, catering to eco-conscious buyers. This electric version offers zero emissions and features a respectable driving range, making it a practical choice for urban transportation and short trips. It supports fast charging, allowing users to recharge the battery quickly and get back on the road. The electric Transit includes regenerative braking to improve efficiency and extend range. Cargo space remains one of the Transit's strong suits, even in the passenger configuration. With removable seats, the van can quickly be transformed to accommodate larger items, making it ideal for mixed-use scenarios. The van's wide rear doors and low load floor simplify the process of loading cargo, which is especially beneficial for businesses that require flexibility. The driving experience in the 2026 Ford Transit is notably improved. The suspension system has been refined to deliver a smoother ride, even on rough roads. Enhanced sound insulation minimizes road noise, creating a quieter cabin environment. The steering is precise, and the van's relatively tight turning radius makes it easier to maneuver in crowded areas. This combination of features contributes to a more enjoyable experience for both the driver and passengers. Customizability remains a hallmark of the Ford Transit. Buyers can choose from various roof heights, wheelbases, and trims to tailor the van to their specific needs. High roof models provide ample standing room, while longer wheelbase versions maximize seating capacity or cargo space. The availability of all-wheel drive ensures better traction and control in challenging weather conditions, further enhancing its appeal to a wide audience. The 2026 Transit is built with durability in mind, using high-strength materials that can withstand the demands of daily use. Ford has reinforced critical components to improve reliability and reduce maintenance costs over the van's lifespan. This focus on longevity makes the Transit a cost-effective option for businesses and organizations that rely on it for daily operations. Fuel efficiency has been improved across the board, thanks to enhanced engine tuning and lightweight construction. The traditional gas-powered models now offer better mileage, reducing operational costs for fleet owners. Combined with the new electric variant, the Transit presents a compelling case for those seeking environmentally friendly options without compromising performance or practicality. Passenger comfort is further enhanced by the inclusion of climate control systems tailored to large groups. Dual-zone or even tri-zone climate controls ensure that all passengers enjoy a comfortable temperature regardless of their seating position. The van also features ample storage compartments for personal items, ensuring that passengers have space to store their belongings securely. Ford has paid attention to the finer details in the 2026 Transit, such as upgraded interior lighting and premium trim options. These elements add a touch of sophistication to the vehicle, making it feel less like a commercial van and more like a premium mode of transportation. The availability of leather seating and wood grain accents in higher trims elevates the overall experience, appealing to customers looking for a more upscale offering. The van's infotainment system has been optimized for ease of use, with intuitive menus and voice recognition capabilities. The large touchscreen is responsive and easy to navigate, ensuring that drivers can access essential functions without distraction. Ford's S1C system also offers over-the-air updates, ensuring that the software remains up-to-date with the latest features and improvements. Ford has also focused on improving accessibility in the 2026 Transit. Features like power-operated sliding doors and a power tailgate make it easier for passengers with limited mobility to enter and exit the vehicle. Optional accessibility packages include wheelchair lifts and additional grab handles, catering to a broader range of users. The van's towing and hauling capabilities are noteworthy, particularly in the turbocharged and all-wheel drive models. Businesses and individuals who need to tow trailers or transport heavy loads will appreciate the Transit's robust construction and capable drivetrain. The inclusion of trailer sway control and a towing package further enhances its utility. The 2026 Ford Transit remains competitively priced within its segment, offering excellent value for money. Its blend of advanced technology, safety features, and practical design makes it a versatile choice for a wide range of applications. Whether used for family outings, commercial purposes, or group travel, the Transit delivers reliability and convenience in every aspect. In summary, the 2026 Ford Transit passenger van builds on its legacy of versatility and dependability. With its modern design, enhanced safety features, and improved driving experience, it caters to the needs of both personal and professional users. The availability of a zero-emissions electric model further demonstrates Ford's commitment to sustainability, ensuring that the Transit remains a relevant and attractive option for years to come.